What's up? I'm going to be using a 332nd 7018, and the recommended amperage is 65 to 100 amps. We've got it on the lowest setting. It recommends 65 amps. We're going to weld a 1982 copper penny to this I-beam, see what happens. All right, let's go. All right, here we go for science. There you have it, folks. Copper penny welded. There's where we did the bronze brazing rod. The copper penny. Took me forever to get it going, but I finally did. By the way, I'm not a professional welder. Don't claim to be. Don't want to be. I'm a backyard redneck scientist. There you have it. Okay? If you got any recommendations of what kind of shit I can use to weld with, leave it in the comments, boys and girls. Woo! Peace!